Marilyn Monroe was an American actress, model, and singer. Top 20 quotes. I don't forgive people because I'm weak. I forgive them because I am strong enough to know people make mistakes. Always remember to smile and look up at what you got in life. Just because you fail once doesn't mean you're gonna fail at everything. Boys think girls are like books. If the cover doesn't catch their eye, they won't bother to read what's inside. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for what you are not. A friend tells you what you want to hear. A best friend tells you the truth. Always, always, always believe in yourself. Because if you don't, then who will, sweetie? If you can make a woman laugh, you can make her do anything. Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. We are all stars, but we must learn how to shine. I believe that everything happens for a reason. People change so that you can learn to let go. Things go wrong so that you appreciate them when they're right. You believe lies so you eventually learn to trust no one but yourself. And sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together. Always be yourself. Retain individuality. Listen to the truest part of yourself. Be real, be yourself, be unique, be true, be honest, be humble, be happy. All a girl really wants is for one guy to prove to her that they are not all the same. The way you carry yourself is influenced by the way you feel inside. You must feel attractive to be attractive. Success makes so many people hate you. I wish it wasn't that way. It would be wonderful to enjoy success without seeing envy in the eyes of those around you. Everyone's a star and deserves the right to twinkle. I think there's two things in human beings: that they want to be alone, but they also want to be together. The nicest thing for me is sleep, then at least I can dream. I live to succeed, not to please you or anyone else. Thanks for watching the video on our YouTube channel Top 20 Quotes. We will be glad to see you among our subscribers.